Hi guys, welcome back to Solidity Basics. In this video, we'll see how to handle inherited state variables. So unlike functions, state variables cannot be overwritten by redeclaring them in the child contract. We have to reinitialize them in the constructor of the child contract. So you'll see that in the code given here, we have a contract called contract A and it has a state variable name which holds contract A. We have a function which returns the value of name, and we have another contract C, which inherits contract A, and in its constructor we reinitialize the value of name to contract C. So let's check how this works out in the remix IDE. So we have a contract here, we'll compile it and then we'll deploy both of these contracts. So in contract A, when we do get name, we get the value contract A. This is the value stored in the state variable name. But in contract C, when we do get name, we get the value contract C because this is the value stored in the name variable of contract C. As you see it, we are able to call get name from within C because we are inheriting the contract A, which has the get name function. We are also inheriting the state variable name, but we are overwriting its value by reinitializing it in our constructor while we deploy the contract C. So that's how we handle state variables while doing inheritance, and I'll see you guys in the next video.